Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this vlog, I'm excited to take you along on my recent trip to Chicago. It was actually a surprise trip that I found out halfway there, which made it even more thrilling. Chicago is one of the most beautiful cities I have ever seen, with its stunning skyline, vibrant streets, and unique charm. I can't wait to share this experience with you, so come along and enjoy this video with me. We stayed in Chicago for 2 days at this amazing hotel LondonHouse, right in downtown with stunning views of the Chicago River. You will see in the video how glued I am to the window. The view was unreal. We also stopped by the Nutella Café, and let me tell you, their crepes were the best I ever had. We visited 2 observation decks, including Sky Deck Chicago, the second tallest in the US. The tallest is in NYC, and yup, I have been there too. We strolled around the city streets and even took a boat ride on the river, which you will get to see at the end of the video, so stay tuned. also got to try Chicago's famous deep dish pizza. The small could literally feed up to 7 people. I'm not joking, it was so huge. My hand was very small in front of it. There was so much to take in on this trip. Seeing the Chicago Beam in person was awesome. Visiting the Art Institute of Chicago was extra special. They had statues of Hindu gods on display, which filled me with pride and amazement. We also stopped by the Shed Aquarium, and getting to see the penguins up close was such a happy moment for me. Guys, the Chicago Starbucks is no joke. It is the largest in the world. The space is incredible. I think it has almost 4 floors, and the pastries were so fresh and absolutely delicious. up the trip with an amazing South Indian meal at Madurai Kitchen, just outside the city. The food was really amazing. It was so good. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to see me more, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.